So I've ordered 3 of my most favorite sunscreen. Combo is technically my favorite. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are new here, my name is Anjali and this is a week in my life vlog. And today is my mom's birthday actually, and we are going out for a meal for dinner, and I have to quickly get ready for that. And I am planning to wear this top. I love the color of this top and it's very flowy and it's giving me summery vibes, and I think I'm prepping up for summers now. So I'm gonna wear this because we are going for fine dining, so of course I want to wear something appropriate. With that, I showed you guys this corduroy skirt in my one of my recent vlogs. I got this on sale and like on 60% off, and it's very thick heavy duty material and it's navy blue as you can see, and I love this and I've been waiting to wear it. So I'm gonna wear this, and also I'm getting very late, so I'll see you guys in the place where I'm going now. Come to celebrate her birthday to ITC Maurya Vardhana, and that's how she's looking. Pretty birthday girl. Have it in one go. This is your first dish. He doesn't know that we are kidding right now. I've ordered this one, but I don't have pork, so we have asked them to replace the pork in everything. And Mama has ordered this one. This is the menu that I have ordered for. Mama has ordered for something else.
The Anika non-veg, sir, it's going to be stir-fried chicken. It is served in Guntur chili, which comes from Andhra. And we are still left with dessert. Here it comes. I've eaten so much. I'm full right now. It's a Friday and I am going out to watch a movie with my bestie Saloni. But we are going early because we are going to DLF Avenue. So हम पहले ज़ारा में घूमेंगे फिरेंगे and उसके बाद we'll watch the movie. So yeah, that's the plan and I'm all ready. I'm just wearing a puffer jacket because अभी इतनी ठंड नहीं है, so I can wear it. Also, before going, I just quickly wanted to show you a few things that I bought recently. I was running out of sunscreen, so I've ordered 3 of my most favorite sunscreens. Like the first one is this one from Skin 1004. I haven't tried it, but I've heard really good reviews, so I really want to try this. So one is this, and then of course my all-time favorite, Beauty of Joseon, however you want to pronounce it. So this one, and this one from Wishcare is something that I got for free because I ordered this from Tira and I had some points there, so I got this for free. So yeah, these are the few sunscreens that I ordered because I had literally no sunscreen. Also, some of my recent purchases from Zara and Hair and Their clothes. First one is this knit cardigan sort of a thing. I love this, and it also has this slit. I can already imagine myself wearing this in so many ways. I can style it in so many ways. It basically cinches out my waist from here, and then it has like broad shoulder, so I really like this and I am obsessed with this color. Then I got this pant from Zara again. It's very flowy and very balloony pant. These are very trendy. It's going to be all over the internet this year, so I really wanted this. It has like this pinstripes all over it, baggy fit. Love this, and it's not very thick, so very appropriate for the summers. I got this very plain top, full sleeves. I used to have something similar when I was in college. I used to wear such kind of tops a lot, and they are again back in Zara, so I ordered this. Bought this shirt, same color, like literally the same palette is going on, color theme is going on, again from Zara. I love this. I'm fully prepared for summers right now. I also got this dress from Zara, again same color, and I recently wore it on Valentine's Day. I just love how it fits me and the overall look. It's a very cutesy dress, so yeah. I usually shop from Zara, H&M and Bershka. But there's this brand Cover Story which is very famous and I see it all the time, but I never got anything from there. मैं कभी उनके स्टोर जाती ही नहीं थी. But when I was in Bombay, I literally saw their store and their store looked so pretty. I went inside and I went mad. Like, their collection was so good. They had really good stuff and the material was so good. So I was like, I can explore this brand a little more. So I just bought one top from there, which is this one, and as you guys must have seen, I wore this for my mom's birthday. It fits me really well, so like I'm gonna buy more stuff from there for sure. And also Saloni has come, so let's go for the movie. I'll come back and show you guys more stuff. Lip combo is technically my favorite lip combo these days. Like, I'm obsessed with this. On days when I don't feel like putting on makeup, this is what I do. I just put tint on my lips. This is from Etude and really good. I feel like better than Benefit. So I'm gonna put some tint. Yep, that's it. I love lip stains because my lips are pigmented, so it really leaves some very nice natural tint on my lips. Yeah, and then I use this lip liner from Makeup Forever in the shade Versatile Chestnut, and I just outline my lips. Yeah, that's it. And I will smudge it. And on top of it, I put any brown gloss. This one is from Dior, but any brown gloss will do, honestly. I feel like this red lip tint and brown gloss really goes well together. Yeah, that's it. That's all I'm going to do for my makeup. I'm going to have a very super casual look. This is a sweatshirt that I'm wearing that I bought from Bershka. And the minute I bought it, उसके 1 week के बाद ही जितना भी मैंने कुछ भी खरीदा था सब पे सेल लग गई थी. And I'm going to use perfume. I'm going to put perfume. I was in Bombay for a month and my nephew is 5 months old. So we can't really put perfume around him. So I haven't used perfume for like a month and I can't do without perfume. But for him, I can do anything. So yeah, I was not using perfume. And ever since I've got back home, I'm literally applying perfume at home also. So yeah, that's been up. I am all ready. So let's go. Come to my favorite restaurant, Pot Pot, and I really love their food. The food is so good. And I was very hungry after working for so long. I ate so much and I'm so full right now. कि मेरे पेट में कुछ खाने की जगह नहीं है, but still I want to have coffee. home and I took a shower and I'm getting ready for bed. Will be doing my skincare. I went out for a quick grocery run and I had to buy a few things for breakfast. But yeah, if you like this vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'll be coming up with a haul video because I have shopped quite a bit this week and I'm planning to show everything to you guys. So stay tuned and I'll see you with another video.